Apple's most anticipated iPhone 15 event brought along plenty of amazing goodies, including the Apple Watch Series 9, Watch Ultra, iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Max. But what we're really excited about is the A17 Pro chip, which packs plenty of gaming enhancements such as ray tracing and stronger GPU cores. Apart from that, plenty of major game titles are also making their way onto the latest iPhone. Now, judging by all of this, it doesn't seem like Apple is getting serious about gaming. Let's find out what they're really up to. Now, before talking about anything else, let's just skim through what's new on the A17 Pro chip. Apart from Apple saying that this is their fastest chip ever. This is the first Apple silicon built with TSMC's 3nm process, just like Intel's hybrid architecture. The A17 Pro blends 6 performance cores with 4 efficiency cores. But what you really need to know is the MetaFX technology that utilizes the A17 Pro's neutral engine with 35 TOPS truly in operations per second that significantly increases the graphical detail as well as resolution in games while preserving battery life. And then comes the new GPU, which in terms of Apple is their biggest redesign in the history of Apple GPUs with a 6-core design. This thing is about 20 times faster and much more efficient for gaming, but that's not all. The A17 Pro now has hardware-accelerated ray tracing, which is indeed a pretty big deal for realistic reflections and immersive details. While Apple's major rivals, such as Samsung, have already introduced ray tracing on their phones, it was about time for Apple to do something about it. The A17 Pro has also unlocked the door to modern AAA tiles for the iPhone 15 Pro. To name a few, it can seamlessly run Assassin's Creed Mirage, Dead Stranding, and Resident Evil Village natively. I hope you heard about the right console-level gaming experience on the iPhone, my dudes. Assassin's Creed mod will be available by the first half of next year, while you can expect the other channels to arrive by the end of this year. Now it's quite obvious that at this point, Apple has made a good amount of effort to push into the gaming segment lately. We mean that bringing all of these major channels on iPhones and integrating the GPU-intensive A17 Pro chip is definitely pointing towards something big, perhaps a dedicated Apple handheld. Apple's plan to develop a Nintendo Switch competitor that has been rumored for quite a while now. This information was leaked by Twitter leaker FrontRun. According to him, he posted a link on his tweet from a South Korean forum thread mentioning that Apple is reportedly working on a hybrid console. It also says that it'll bring a whole new chip for this handheld with potential ray tracing support and big game developers such as Ubisoft's other negotiations for future game development. Now, could this whole new chip be the A17 Pro? I mean, it perfectly fits the bigger picture, and intubating it into a handle will definitely be amazing. Whether it happens or not, their effort to get major publishers on board is certainly notable. Even if Apple Hands does not come into reality, they will certainly get to see something amazing on the Apple Vision Pro for gaming. That's pretty much it on the Apple A17 Pro. Catch you guys on our next video.